Okay. So see, okay, next what I'm asking, tell me what is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, regulatory, yes. Tell me what is the difference between SEBI and RBI?
Tell the full form of SEBI
Stock
na?
market.
CE हाँ it
Yeah.
is a
Bond.
stock market.
Security Exchange Board of India.
हाँ, it is
Security
stock
Exchange.
market.
System share bond and all these things are regulated by the SEBI only. And then what is that? This Central Pollution Control Board, CPCP.
Regulatory one.
Yeah, it is also regulatory. CPCP.
So
Okay.
the bodies which make laws are the regulatory ones.
Medical Council of India is also regulatory.
Which restricts something, na?
हाँ, which
Yeah.
make laws to
Because
restrict something.
see, RBI is for money control, SEBI is for transaction, means that share market, CPC for pollution control,
control.
Medical Council for medical control. So means they have made the body for the spread, like TRAI,
What is
TRAI,
like
full form.
Airtel, BSNL. They are all controlled by somebody that is called TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India.
telecom regulatory, like Geo.
Yeah, even Airports Authority of India, it is also regulatory body. Airport Authority of India. Okay, so see, whenever you read these kind of words, na, so please mind that. Even that, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, IRDAI. Yeah, because person do know home insurance and all, vehicle insurance. So these are things regulated by this body. Okay. So these are all regulatory bodies. Now tell me, what is the permanent body actually? Because I have written here permanent body.
Which is not temporary one. Like it is the
Examples.
examples. I don't remember. Give me some hint.
The body is which has fixed tenure and
I-
they don't change as per the government change. They are, yeah.
Just like that, na. I don't know the body, but I know that policy came, that law, that Aam Aadmi Party for the free electricity and all.
Election Commission of
Election Commission of
ECI is not a constitutional body.
it is.
It is a
You
constitutional.
said na these are different from constitutional body. Then you will
So
write
remove
here.
it. Remove it.
Then we
See,
can.
see, permanent body can be both. Hai.
You didn't say
No.
na before.
Okay, now
Permanent
now
can
let
be
now
your
let me
problem.
clarify it. Na, see, permanent body can be both. Hai. Election Commission of India as well, and means permanent body can be both, constitutional as well as non-constitutional. Okay, let me clear it. Okay, it can be both. Okay, tell me, Finance Commission is a permanent body? Absolutely not.
Finance Commission.
Yeah.
I'm very quick to answer. I
Yeah.
don't even think.
See, do you know why? Because Finance Commission change with government change. Suppose that now BJP is in power for 5 years, and when there will be a new election, so again new Finance Commission will come into the picture.
Isn't it a permanent one?
No, it is
Why
a
you
non-permanent. It is a constitutional body, but it is not permanent.
But you said na permanent are the bodies which are which is for the long tenure until and unless government change.
No. I've not said that. I've said that
Until
the
unless
bodies which
government
do not change as per the government change. They are
As
called
per the
permanent.
government.
If the finance commission is 5 years na,
Huh.
it is constituted 2023, but the government will continue up to 2026.
Huh.
It have a 6 years tenure. If
If
then the body will not change the members.
What?
No. I'm saying he said he permanent bodies are bodies which are in the long tenures as much as government change.
Not long.
No,
tenure,
as much nahi.
sir. Not change
Go-
with respect to
Yeah,
government.
yeah, not change. You are saying change. You are saying opposite.
Government can also can change, but finance commission will not be changed, right?
No, it is election commission will not change.
Election
She is getting confused. I think. Make that
Finance
clear.
commission can change. Commission means what? Group of members. na?
Finance
They may
commission can
change. So that's
but
why
election
he
commission
said
won't be
na
changed. Okay,
that
got it.
tenure.
Okay, got it. Permanent are the things which cannot change, right?
Yeah.
And the finance commission are the things which can change. Okay.
Okay. So finance commission is a non-permanent. Please remember, both are constitutional, but finance commission is non-permanent. And see, and this way actually it is not written in Lakshmi in any books actually. That's I'm writing a book, na.
That's why you are writing not on
Yeah.
your interest now.
No, that's why he doesn't like
For-
Lakshmikant.
for
That's why.
for will fear up guys, yeah, because you know some people are really get frustrated by Lakshmikant reading actually all the time. They don't
Okay.
get satisfied.
Release your book after we got selected, na? Before that, they have become competitive for me.
Yeah, don't worry. I will. Okay.
Release it after.
Edition after we
Yeah.
got selected.
Yeah. I will also write you guys name that okay with the support of
Okay.
with the support of right.
Don't.
No, only if we get criticism, why they write, why you written our name then? If
Why?
we have taken all your credits.
Not getting.
Actually, you will not
I will
give
say that
credits.
writer is Manish. Writer is Manish.
Huh.
But with the I have written with this book with the support of.
Acha, with this.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm discussing this you guys, so I can write. I have written this book with the support of. Okay. So see. So these part. So I have discussed permanent bodies. Okay. Constitutional bodies, non-constitutional bodies. Okay. Now tell me what is a non-statutory bodies.
Which do not come from the act.
Yeah. So see, a body can be executive as well as non-statutory as well, like Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog both non-statutory as well as executive. Okay. So please mind it. Now two bodies are there more: independent body and autonomous body. This actually little bit tough hai.
Independent
And autonomous seems to be similar, but they are different. Tell me.
Autonomous independent are two different things, no?
Yeah. Now tell me. English.
Universities come under autonomous.
There is a play of English.
The private one are the independent, private universities are the independent bodies.
And autonomous.
Autonomous can be. What do you mean by autonomous? Just
Yeah,
tell me
this is
this.
actually what I'm asking.
Autonomous is like without known something, which is not known. Autonomous is something like that. No? So the church.
Independent may cannot affect by these regulations.
Okay, if I give the example, then you will be able to explain.
Huh.
Okay, RBI is an autonomous body, and Election Commission of India is an independent body. Now tell me the
RBI
difference.
is a
Autonomous, and Election Commission of India is independent. Now tell me the difference.
okay. RBI can govern itself, like it can be.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, it can. Yeah, you are in the right direction. See,
have
don't stop yourself. Just going on. Keep going
the
on.
Election Commission of India is an independent
Yeah.
body, but they
RBI
need
is
support.
autonomous.
Huh.
Yeah. So then what will the difference?
They
Actually?
need support. That Election Commission of India, but RBI can govern itself. It has the freedom to do all the money transfer and money.
And Election Commission has not freedom to do the election.
But not like they can take a decision, but on the
But-
basis of
What?
on the basis of the government, like they have to. I don't know what.
Yeah, you are in the right
independent-
direction.
You
But
tell it.
you have to little bit
Give
more.
me thoda help
Yeah.
of words.
You have any?
Mm,
Actually, he's right up to some extent.
wait. So what do you mean by
Interaction.
autonomous? Wait.
Interaction with government is more.
What do you mean by autonomous?
Okay, let me tell that. Actually, it is a difficult one. See, autonomous body means ke the bodies whose will function independently.
In day-to-day operation,
Okay,
but still
okay.
subject to
In which will function independently, but
the.
but an independent body also function independently. But then what is the difference? The difference is that कि autonomous body can make their own rules and regulation and they can function. But in case of independent body,
ECI, Parliament will.
Parliament will make the
I
law
said, no,
and they will follow
government.
that independently.
Like in ECI.
So this is the difference.
Parliament.
It means it is more independent and it is less independent. You can say this.
But
in
both
short
are
term.
independent. But
Both
they
are independent,
are more or less.
but it has more autonomous power. I mean, because it will make your own rules. Like RBI make own rules. Like I will do that and I will do that. But Election Commission of India cannot make own rules. Government will make the rules. Only Election Commission will follow that independently. So this is the actually most of the people get confused. Yeah, that's why I have. Yeah, made it clear actually. Okay, and now there is one more term actually. Quasi-judicial bodies. There is also play of English only. quasi judicial bodies.
Quasi Q U A
Quasi
S
means
I.
half.
Half.
Yeah.
Quasi.
It means कि
Tribunal can give.
yeah,
Tribunal.
tribunal is a kind of quasi judicial body.
Quasi-
It means the bodies actually which are not court but they act like a
Court.
court. Like NGT,
Executive.
National Green Tribunal. It is a not a court but they can take a decision.
International Tribunal.
Yeah. So they are so for example in India Finance Commission is also quasi judicial body because in some matter they also take decision like court but they are not actually court but they function like court. So here Finance Commission here it is, and then I think it is here Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Then I think there is one Election Commission of India.
Yes,
Because he can disqualify a person, na?
it is a quasi
Quasi
judicial
judicial means
also.
कि yeah,
ECI has how many things? Like it is a quasi.
it is a permanent, it is a constitutional, it is a it is independent.
Independent.
Yeah, because election is the pillar of democracy, na? So that's why it has more power.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Next.
that's why. So
The-
see,
the result, na, like verdict, quasi judicial will give what? Body will give?
what are you asking?
No, nothing.
What are you saying? Constitution, which body it give?
No.
Okay, so